What's up guys, from the Netherlands here. Today we're gonna try some very unique street food, guys. Check it out. Check out Dutch street food here in the Netherlands. So they're like boxes, right? And look, there's a man behind there. He puts the food inside, and you basically just pick one. Look, you pay. This one is €2, so you put the euros here, and then you'll get your whatever that is. We're gonna start here with the Ron Le Broquet. Hope I said that right. €2. All right. Oh, and there we go. I just pull this down. I get my food. Try not to drop this. I'm gonna close this again. All right, and that's how it works here in the Netherlands. All right, let's give it a go. Let me get sanitizer. Time to try the Ron Le Broquet. Oh man. This is delicious. I've had it before. It's a potato mix inside of it that makes it go, and the outside is extremely crunchy. Oh man, this is so good. It's worth pointing out that there's pieces of meat in there. Let's give it another taste.
It tastes like what? Like something we know?
Creamy. It's like very...
Finish your mouth.
It's super crunchy.
Is it like a croquetas in Spain, or?
Yeah, it's like a croqueta, but more crunchy. And they're just, it tastes like a mashed potato with like a lot of spice in there, like a lot of black pepper. Like, it's really tasty and creamy and delicious. There's the garbage here. Throw that in there. Here is Utrecht, waiting outside of the street food joint. Sophie's finishing the burger. Then we're gonna try something else. But it's a nice little kind of sunny, cloudy day out here. Next up, we're gonna try this box. €2.50. Let's see what's in the little secret box here. Oh, it comes with a plate as well. Bam. All right. Let's try out the box. I get the feeling it's gonna be a burger. Oh, there's a chicken burger, and it looks like a McChicken from McDonald's, to be honest. Let's try it out though. The sauce last time was delicious.
It's a good burger.
That is delicious, guys.
But the the chicken patty is really skinny, no?
It's thin, but you don't feel it at all. It's extremely well spiced and tasty. It's delicious. We're gonna go into the old coin pouch. We're gonna reload on some cash. So I need €2. Oh, I just have one there. Bam. Alright, we're gonna try this guy out right here. Let's see if I can open the bottom one. Oh no. Nope. So you have to take the top one. Oh, my coin never came. Oh my god. Wow. It happens. Alright, now I can I get the bottom one? Oh yeah, I can get whichever one I want. Alright. Is it warm? Alright, so it's warm inside of this, so it keeps it nice and warm. Alright, looks like a chicken patty or a fish patty. It's crispy, it's very fried, it's deep fried. Let's try this.
What is
It's
inside?
delicious.
Cheese?
There's cheese in here, guys.
Oh, it's probably the cas soufflé because cas means cheese.
Oh man, this is delicious, guys. It's like deep fried mozzarella sticks. But this batter outside is just delicious. It's nice and crispy. Look, they put a lot of cheese in there. They don't skimp out. Let's go for a second tasting. God, I think it's delicious. It tastes like similar to a Latin American empanada, but totally different. And there's their own cheese, so it just gives it its own unique taste.
The cassoufflé.
So crunchy, this cassoufflé.
Yeah, soufflé is French, and casse is cheese in Dutch, so cassoufflé.
Back into the pouch. $2. We're gonna take the keep corn. All right, we're gonna go with this one right here. I put €1, so one more. And then, oh, he just put a fresh one. Oh, thank you, brother. All right, let's take the fresh one. This one just came out. Oh man, we're so lucky. We're so lucky. We are so lucky. So we got the fresh one now.
What is inside? What surprise? Is this cheese, vegetables, chicken, beef? Oof, it looks good. What is it inside?
It's chicken.
Oh, it's like a chicken finger? Make a chicken finger. It's like a chicken churros, baby. Chicken churros.
Look at it.
Looks good. Give me a bag.
Baby wants it? Here, try it.
Wow.
It's
like
good?
a big nugget.
Like a big chicken nugget?
I like that.
Me too. Me too. That's good.
Yep.
And it got more sunny now too. Check it out. Almost all the kip corns are gone since I had it. Oh look, they're gonna sell that one now. All right, we're gonna try next the Cow's Creek croquette. How do you say this?
Hey!
Wow.
Ja, thuis.
Hey my friend, how do you read
Ja,
this?
dan ben jij dan op werk dan. Ook vakantie.
Hey my friend, how do you read this?
Wat?
How do you read that?
Kalfsvleeskroket.
Cow fleece croquette.
Yeah.
All right, thank you so much. All right, we're gonna try the cow cave croquette next. I hope I got that right. €2. All right. Oh, you can also get this one with just look. There's one with just plates. I'm not sure what this is.
Orange.
Oh, it's crispy, like it just cracked when I opened it.
What is inside this time?
Ik moet zondag.
It says ragu. Is it vegetables? I read ragu.
It's like the first thing I tried. It's the same like mashed potato creamy thing inside. And then outside is extremely crunchy.
And what is
But
different though?
I don't know,
the
maybe it
taste?
doesn't have the meat.
It looks like there's vegetables more in it.
Yeah, it's like the veggie option without the meat.
Kowski broke it. Still good. Everything is good in this machine.
And it's warm.
Nice. And now we're trying
We're gonna try the fricadelle. Euros go in. Fricadelle comes out. Alright. It's warm. Whoa. Oh wow.
Oh, surprise.
Surprise.
There's people behind the machine.
Oh guys, that came out of nowhere. Alright. Nice little surprise. Anyways. I don't know, it feels like a pancake on the outside.
I think it's a sausage.
Soft. Yeah, I think it's gonna be a sausage.
It's a fried sausage to me.
Oh yeah. That's delicious. It has a delicious taste. This is amazing. Guys, you gotta try it. The way it's like uniquely fried on the outside.
It's crispy.
It's delicious. Delicious sausage. Alright, next up, Sofinator. What do you want?
The burger.
The burger? Alright, we're gonna try that burger. The burger is $2.50. Let's see if it takes the smaller coins.
No.
No? Oh yeah, I took it, yeah. Alright, so it takes whatever she's putting. We need €1.50 more.
We need to know which one to open.
I don't know, I just took the first one. Let's open the last one. I don't know, maybe this one's newer. Which one looks the best? That's what you need to take. Which one looks better out of all of these burgers?
It doesn't open any. We have to press.
No, I didn't have to press anything. You just gotta pull down.
Okay.
Alright, let's get the...
I'll get it.
You got a plate under there. So it comes with a plate. I didn't notice the plate at first. And then yeah, you just close it. That is Dutch street food here in the Netherlands.
Like the plate, like you reverse.
And you have your... Does it look good?
It looks like there's not a lot of things for $2.50.
Yeah,
like
there
really
is.
small
I see a
burger.
lot of bread.
And a lot of sauce.
Alright,
I'll give it a go. I'll try. I'm
the
hungry.
Dutch burger.
It's good.
C'est bon?
It's just like McDonald's.
Like a McDonald's?
Not exactly, but similar taste. But it's more expensive.
Let me try it. My turn to give this baby a go. It's a lot better than it looks.
Yeah, I agree.
We'll just leave it at that. It looks terrible to be honest, but when you eat it, it's good. And the burger sauce is very nice, very tangy, very tasty.
Juicy.
Alright, we're gonna go ahead and rank all of them, guys. The fricadelle, the fried sausage, I'm gonna give that one, I'll give it an 8. A solid 8. Next, this long word. This guy over here, oh, this is delicious. I'm gonna give it I'll give it a 9. Really, really good. This is a really, really, really good chicken tender kind of thing. This fried chicken right here is delicious. I'm gonna give it an 8. That was very, very good. This guy over here, solid 8.5. They're very similar except it has meat inside. The chicken sandwich surprised me. I'm gonna give it an 8.5 as well. Same with the burger. Now this cheese right here, this right here, this I give it a 9.5. This was the best out of all these snacks. That's gonna wrap things up here from Utrecht in the Netherlands. This is like the Dutch street food, the Dutch snacks. Delicious. I recommend them, guys, if you ever here, for sure. I mean, I've never seen this anywhere else. Like just like these little boxes with food ready to go. You just pay and voila, you leave. I like it. Delicious. All right, that's it, guys.